Hello everybody. Today I have a punch-out on the bench that has no sounds and no voice. We just get a little bit of noise when it comes on, but no crowd sounds, no nothing. So I've been trying to figure out what could be the problem. And let me turn on. Okay, there you go. Just so you can see. Nothing. And it's interesting. So I know everything seems to be running because it punch out when you start it, and it starts the fight. It talks, the ref talks, and he says, "Ladies and gentlemen, Glass Joe," and at that point, I think it says fight, or right before it says fight, it waits for the VLM 5030, which is the voice processor, to talk back to it, give it an act. Says, "Oh yeah, okay, I'm done with that," and then it starts the fight. So that's happening. So, all right, I'm gonna show you. I went over to the schematics and started first I just started poking around here. Here's the sound processor, and just looking with my logic probe, let's see, I'll come back a little bit. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4. 4 is dead. 4 and 5 is dead. Now those are out. Well, they're actually the IN0 and IN0 and IN1 signals, which come from this guy, or so I thought. So I started probing this guy, and then I get to pin 11's good, but pin 1 over here is dead. So something's not clocking this chip. So let's see. This is where I went over to the schematics. Okay, here we are. Here's our 2A03. So this pin 7 or pin 3 is the reset on it, and it also comes over here and resets this. And looking up, I went back to 3A. And 3A has this signal on it, but it's low all the time. So the chip isn't running. I mean, this doesn't run. So it's reset when it's low, and it's always low. So this isn't doing its job for some reason. So I probed pin 5 and 6, and they're just not connected. They're getting no input at all. So when I trace this is the SOU signal, 0, and it's connected to both legs. So I come back here, over here, and down to this 259, and on pin 7 is my SOU 0 signal. The rest, pin 1 or 1, 2, 3, they're all there, but this signal is just floating, and it shouldn't be. All of these are working, all the inputs are there, except this output is just dead. So I'm going to replace that chip, and we'll see what we got. That's a LS259 at 2B, and we'll be right back. Okay, I've replaced this chip at 2B, and here's the old one. I've already put it in my tester, and it's not found. So once again, dead. All right, and the other one was good. So let me see here. Put this back up, and we'll fire it up and see if we hear sound. We should get music. Let's see. We're all connected. We replaced the chip. Let's see. so we've got our music back. Awesome. Let's start a game and see if we have voice too.
Go.
All right, we've got voice too.
Fight.
Nice. Oh, very cool. So that took care of that problem. There was another one on this that I noticed. The volume control is really low. So if I turn it, you know, so I think I piggybacked an LM324 on there, and boom, yeah, it just comes back. So I need to replace the LM324, and we should be good to go. Well, thanks for watching.